Joshua igila.
Brother, Joshua,
Sam, why I love our Papa so much, he is a man that stands for the truth.
na person where they sit down on top of truth and he go hold am tight.
Sam, they say truth is bitter.
But for him mouth, he be like honey.
Daddy, today we are celebrating you for speaking the truth, for standing on the truth. Sam, he believes in the foundation of truth, the foundation.
No scatter the foundation of the church.
Sir, honestly, we came here to present you with an honor.
Daddy, for all the truth, where you don't talk. All the way from Abba, they don't give you holy Igbo title. Daddy, you know why I put holy? So that you go feel collector. Ezioku Bondo 1. Daddy, in case you don't know the meaning, because I see when you just hire interpreter now, it means truth is life. And he did somewhere for Bible. If you enter by the right,
Malachi, First Street. If you enter Malachi, First Street by the left, 2 sharp corner, you will get it.
he said, na truth, they keep a king. So, Daddy, you can send somebody. This is the invitation for your coronation. Who will receive it for you? Who face the children of God? On today, on the Ururu that I just steal from our father.